All right, so now that we have heard it once and we've discussed our mental movies, I'm going to read it one more time just to make sure we are stamping important information. This time, pay close attention to what the problem is asking us to find. The Business Direct Hotel caters to people who travel for different types of business trips. On Saturday night, there is not a lot of business travel. So the ratio of the number of occupied rooms to the number of unoccupied rooms is 2 to 5. However, on Sunday night, the ratio of the number of occupied rooms to the number of unoccupied rooms is 6 to 1 due to the number of business people attending a large conference in the area. If the Business Direct Hotel has 432 occupied rooms on Sunday night, how many unoccupied rooms does it have on Saturday night? All right. So we are going to think about how we can start this problem now that we have read it twice. Well, I know that Mr. De Leon used a lot of tables with y'all in sixth grade, so I think this is a strength that y'all have. So I'm going to use that as my model. So I need to think about all of this information that they gave us. I might actually highlight since this pen kind of messes up the writing on our screen. We know that a ratio of occupied rooms to unoccupied rooms is 2 to 5. So I'm going to highlight that because I remember that word ratio from sixth grade. And then on Sunday night, the ratio of occupied rooms to unoccupied rooms is 6 to 1. Oh, I forgot to write that this is Saturday night. Okay, so we have two nights going on. We got Saturday night and we have Sunday night. So apparently there are 432 occupied rooms on Sunday night, and we need to use that to figure out how many unoccupied rooms does it have on Saturday night. So I've highlighted that important information so that I can start putting these things into my table. But I have two different ratios. So I know that I can create a table for Saturday's information with one ratio, and then I can create a Sunday table with that ratio. Okay, so what information did they give us about Saturday? So I got my table for Saturday. Well, I see that they are talking about occupied rooms, so rooms that have guests staying in them, and then unoccupied rooms or empty rooms that guests could check in if they wanted to. All right, and the number that they said is 2 to 5. So I know that for every 2 rooms that are occupied, there are 5 rooms that are unoccupied. Okay, so we put this in our table. So now that I have shown you Saturday's table, go ahead and take 20 seconds to create a table for Sunday. We're going to do this on a Draw It feature on Nearpod. Make sure you pay close attention to the new ratio given in the problem.